Welcome back! I'm about to grub on this ice cream and chow down on this fresh strawberry cheesecake. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. So let me get that open. Oh damn, that looks so good. And a strawberry escaped. It fell out. Yep, that little critter got away. I have these new items. This is 2 switch lights so that I can use inside my closet because it's pretty dark, and since I put the Armoire in my room and I don't have space like that, my room's fairly small, and so I left the Armoire sticking out. I took things out of the closet like the shelf and the rod, and it's dark back there when I go in there, so I have these little light switches that were bought for me. And then I have this extension cord because it does have an extension, but the one that I had, it's not the 3-hole one. So I'm not quite sure what the fancy name is for, you know, the 3-hole when it has this bottom piece. So the one that I had only had the two holes. I'm going to go ahead and tear that open, and because I'm going to need it. Oh my god, you guys. Holy moly, these are bright. I switched it, but I guess I didn't switch it all the way up, and it already has the batteries in it. So, yeah. I know, it's blinding. See that? Holy cow, they're bright. Yep, that's gonna work. I was gonna get those like push ones, you know, to light up, but these are great too. And on the back, they have the little sticky on the side there. You see it? It just says, remove this label before use. This is the drawer, the Armoire. And you guys, I am going to attempt to finish cleaning some of my makeup items that go in here, and that way I can get this all nice and set up. I've cleaned this a few times, disinfected it, and just you know, so it's clean, totally clean. And then right here, there's this little cabinet or little pull-out table thing. Whoa, tripping back here. And I mean, this Armoire's used, but I liked it. I bought it used, and this is how it was. I mean, it was dirty. I cleaned it. I cleaned it as best as I could before I used it, and I cleaned it really well, and now I've cleaned it more and more. I need to get in the cracks right here. It's dirty. It's like scuffed up. I can't get in there. Like, I have to get in there with the vacuum. But as far as the surface top, like, it doesn't touch that bottom stuff in there, but I need to get that. It has like a little light up here. Then it has this light. I think it's missing the cover because it looks the same as this one but different. Like, it's just missing the cover part. I put that extension in there to connect the light. And I have that phone connection in there. It's a long one. And then I just switch it on through here and the lights go on. And then it has this little pull out. And it has this other little pull out. There's another connection right there, and that's the one that doesn't have the 3 holes. That is it, this one? Oh, this one does have the 3 holes. My bad. But this one, there's another connection thing right there. So I need to connect this in order for that to work. And then there's just like there was a phone cord down here. Well, it was already here, and I just left that there. You know, back in the days, landlines. And then it has a drawer right there. And it has this other shelf right here. So there's a lot of space in here. Like, I had it set up really cute. I would have shown you guys it before, but it was all dusty and everything. From some little critters, some little pets that their dirt that they were in just went all over the room, and that's why I took it out of there. It's a beautiful piece. I like it. So cute. I'm gonna clean the rest of my stuff so I could get everything in there. I had the Dawn in here because I cleaned out my brushes the other day, and I used this and another bar soap, but I cleaned all my little brushes so they are nice and clean. They're so pretty. I haven't seen them this clean in a long time. I like this set. It works really good. It's old. I've had it for a long time. The only thing is that I need a glue right here because they do feel like kind of wobbly. Either wobbly or one of them just popped off. And I just stick it back in. I think it was this one. Just needs a little glue. But not because of me washing it. It was already like that because they're just old. And I have more trays like this that you guys will see. And I also washed all of those. I threw these in here so they could dry because they can't stand. And I already washed these as well. But they're two-sided. So I threw them in here to finish drying. Yep. And then I washed some sponges. Here are some things that I need to clean still. So these are the sponges that I cleaned. This one didn't get clean all the way. It smells good. And then this one a little bit also. I mean, I don't care to get them perfectly clean, but I might do another go on them. You know, I took a while cleaning them, and then so I might just do another go. With those, I mean, this one had a lot of products. This is really good compared to how it was, all the product that it had. So I just need a little bit right there, right here, and the tip. And then these I need to clean. This is the one I've been using for my eyebrows, and then these are some other ones that were just there. So I mean, I need to clean those. I left them here. I might clean this little plastic part and put it back on the brush that it goes to. And then this is what I used also to scrub, and I just put this in the sink and I would scrub at it like that. So wherever on this, you know, the sinks are like in a bowl shape, so sideways like that, and then I would have a little bit of soap and water in the sink, and I would scrub it with this. And these you can get at the dollar store. I use them for my face as well. They're amazing. You can throw them in the washer. They work so good, and that's what I use to clean my brushes. I still have it here because I'm gonna finish cleaning up. This is a little eyelash glue, I think, and a sharpener. I'm not sure if the sharpener even works that good for the pencils that I have, but it's just me going through my stuff and cleaning things out. That's some of the makeup stuff I need to finish cleaning. This isn't the major part of it. There's a lot of items or decorations that I had in here that are all dusty, so I need to clean all of that. So it's going to be a while. I'll check back in with you guys. I have this connected, and this is how I just threw that in there. So while I'm fixing up, if I need more light. Sorry to blind you guys there. I connected that, and then what I do is, like, I open this, I'm doing my makeup, I just would turn that on. So, and it would light both of those. This light is bright, but there's a shelf here, so obviously it doesn't light the bottom. You know? Kind of like, that's an issue. And I don't need the bottom because I'm not sitting down there or anything, but so this one's good here. I don't need that one lit up, but this one's sitting here, and this piece is dark, and I put a lot of my makeup in here. I think I could put another shelf in here because a lot of this space on top is like not used as much because it's so high. Maybe a shelf even right there. We'll see, but that'll be later because I would have to buy board and get it cut and all that. So, you know. I could probably move this light, but I don't want to mess with it since I didn't install it. I don't know if it's like, I just don't feel like messing with it, but at the same time I do because then it has the cord going all the way down, and that way the cord could just be coming out of there to here. But like I said, we'll see. I just wanted to show you guys how the lights work in here. Okay, wait, never mind. I have this light. I forgot I'm gonna have it in here, so I'm not gonna be able to put a shelf because that is pretty high. Maybe if I find like a very small shelf, like a tier shelf that I could stick right there. I just want to utilize as much of the space that I can. I have all this makeup that I've already wiped down previously and that I need to put away, but I hadn't yet because I needed to wash those plastic containers. This is some of it, and then I gotta wash off the rest. Yeah.